Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. The credit for today's project and inspiration goes to Elena Polkanova, so go ahead and check Elena's Instagram page. I will leave the link down below into the description of this video. So that being said, let's start. So for today's project we're gonna use this light blue Paracord 550 and this dark green Paracord also 550. If you wanna learn how to create this awesome Paracord bracelet, the full tutorial how to create it you have in the top right corner of this video in the information card, so go ahead and check the type button. So that being said, let's start. We're gonna take the ends of a light blue Paracord and we're gonna pull it to find the center, like so. And then we're gonna insert it into the buckle from the top and then pull it those two cords through the loop here. And now here we're gonna make the basic cobra knot to lock this on the buckle. So the right strand on top of those two cords, the left one on top of the right, under and to the loop on the right side from the back. And we're gonna insert in the same time the dark green Paracord into the knot. So from here we're gonna take the dark green because the light blue is created the first knot. Now the dark green gonna go on top of this light blue because as you can see this left cord of the light blue goes downwards and this one goes upwards. So the dark green gonna go on top of this right strand light blue because it goes up. And this left strand of dark green gonna go under this light blue because it goes down. And now the left strand will go on top of the bracelet core, those two strands, and the right strand gonna go on top of the left one, around, under and through the loop on the left side. Pull it to make it tight, cinch it and proceed. So as we did in the previous knot, we're gonna do the same, but with the light blue on top of the dark green, this one under the dark green, on top of the bracelet core, the left strand on top of the right strand, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. And pull it to make it tight, and tight it well, and continue. So as you can see, this is very fast, very easy yet very elegant Paracord knot or pattern. So we're gonna do the same on top and then with the left one under, on top of a bracelet core, the right strand on top of the left strand, around from the back through the loop on the left side. So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and also hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Until then, stay safe, wish you just best, Dale signing out. See ya, bye!